Question 10, adding 3 digits numbers. Number 1, let's do a couple together. For A, we have 70 plus 30, or we have 7 tens plus 3 tens, which gives us 10 tens or 100. For B, we have 8 tens plus 4 tens, which gives us 12 tens or 120. Lastly, for H, 8 tens plus 9 tens is going to give us 17 tens or 170. Press pause to complete number 1 by yourself. Number 2, complete using the breaking down method. Here is an example for you to look at, but let's do number B together. Now when we add, it's important to remember that you must always add the units digits first. Let's do B together. We've got 327 plus 283. Now we're always going to add our units first. 7 plus 3, but before you write down your answer, write your hundreds, tens, and units place value columns to make sure you put the answer in the right place. 7 plus 3 is going to give us 10, and we're going to write it there. Then we've got 20 plus 80, which gives us 100. So the 1 goes in the hundreds place value column with 2 zeros. And lastly, we have 300s plus 200, which gives us 500. Now that we have done all of this, we're going to add up our units, our tens, and our hundreds, always starting with our units first. Now we have 0 units, going down 1 10, and if we add up our hundreds, we have 6 hundreds, to give a final answer of 610. Next, let's do G together. We're going to start with 6 units plus 9 units, and again remember to write your HTU. 6 plus 9 gives us 15. Then we have 50 plus 40, if we look at our tens, and that gives us 90, which we're going to write neatly there. And lastly, 300 plus 400, which gives us 700, with the 7 in our hundreds place value column. Now we're going to add up, starting with our units always first. We have 5 units in total. Now we have 1 10 plus another 10, or 10 plus 90. That is going to give us an answer of 100. So we're going to have 1 more 100, which we're going to leave there in our hundreds place value column, and we will have 0 tens in our tens place value column. Now we need to add up our hundreds. We have 700s plus this 100 from the 1 and the 90, and these two together are going to give us 800s. So our final answer is 805. Press pause to complete all of number 2 by yourself.